churches are the best because they're often remodeled and added on to, and you know, sometimes or most of the time the work that they get done is voluntary, so you get a lot of odds and ends and kind of Mickey Mouse stuff, but it allows rats to kind of get to areas where they don't normally do. And their buildings are usually pretty big and cavernous, and they have a lot of like you know, vaulted ceilings and whatnot. Here I've been in this attic spot for a good 10 minutes now, going from one attic little door to one attic spot to another attic spot, just completely getting explorative in here and following the rat track marks throughout the entire attic area and being able to really diagnose what's going on. Unfortunately, they've got regular rat activity throughout the attic, and it's dropping down into their kitchen area using the plumbing pipes. So we're going to get this all bid out and squared away for them hopefully soon.